How to book your Hong Kong hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Hong Kong hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here, and the link looks like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app, and this is the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. After you have installed this Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Hong Kong hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Hong Kong for vacation and holidays with your families and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. For this Hong Kong Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app installation, this is the app icon. After you have finished installing this Hong Kong Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, tap on this green color open button. It will open the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the front page of the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Look at the first row in the middle of this icon displaying hotel booking. Tap on it or click on it. It will open the page for the Hong Kong hotels room booking page. This is the Hong Kong hotel booking page of this Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, let me enlarge the page for your easy viewing. Okay, at the top part of this page, on the left hand side here, search hotels in Hong Kong is let you to search the hotel in Hong Kong by filling up this check-in date and check-out date, and then you can select the rooms for how many person, drop down list, and then tap on search. Or you can scroll down further to the page on the right hand side here showing popular Hong Kong's hotel. There's the list of the hotel here. I'll show you the star rating, price, the score rating here. Scroll down to the list, you can see the hotel picture here showing all total about 1,548 hotels in Hong Kong. Okay, let me select an Hong Kong hotel first. Okay, for demonstration, let's say I select this Royal Plaza Hotel at Hong Kong, Kowloon City District, Hong Kong, and then I just tap on View Deals, and you will open this page for me, Royal Plaza Hotel Hong Kong. So on this page, it will display you actually the Hong Kong hotel, this hotel's picture, showing the hotel room. Nice hotel room, nice view. Okay, this is the hotel room. Okay, now then this is the introduction of this hotel. Fabulous price, fabulous score point 8.9. Good for shopping, stunning pool and relaxing bar, previously reviewed by 30,824 guests. Scroll down to this section is choose the travel dates. Scroll down further, you can see and read the hotel features for this hotel. Okay, you can look at the check-in and check-out date. Scroll down further under guest review section, you can see that the rating summary here overall is above 8 marks, 8.8 marks and above. Okay, who stay here? Mostly are families, the most popular. Scroll down further, the top comments from all the travelers are great nearby shopping, love the bar, the efficient check-in and check-out, great pool, love the views of the city, immaculate rooms. Scroll down further to read the previous guests have to say that when they stay inside this hotel. Okay, a lot of positive and good review of this hotel. So now let me scroll up and then go into this section, scroll out to this section to book the hotel room. First I have to select the travel date. Let me select March, and then the day 4th of March and 5th of March for one night stay. Rooms for how many person if it's at 2 adults. Then I tap on check availability and prices. Okay, now this one is showing you the Royal Plaza Hotel Hong Kong with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here got 4 different hotel booking provider. Okay, Agoda, Booking.com, StatTravel, and Book with Hotels. Okay, now I can also click here or tap on here, compare 6 more websites, and it will show me the list. Another extra 6 hotels room, hotel booking provider. Okay, with all the different prices here. Okay, now I can let me select one of the price of the hotel. Okay, let's say I select which one I have to select for demonstration purpose. Let me select family room Plaza Deluxe. Okay, press under for this under Prestigia.com tap on view deal here, and it will redirect me to this hotel room booking provider Prestigia.com. Okay, it is redirecting to the Prestigia.com hotel room booking provider page. Okay, now you can see at the top here, you're still waiting to load the picture of this hotel, Royal Plaza Hotel. Scroll down, you can see the amenities of this hotel and the map where these hotels are located, and then review the check-in date and check-out date. Okay, the room price, room types here, and the price of the room for each type of hotel room. Okay, now let's say I want to select this hotel room, family room Plaza Deluxe for 2 adults. Tap on here, the plus, and then at the top here showing the price for 1 night 1 room, tap on the book button here. Okay, and this is a picture or the photo of this Plaza, Royal Plaza Hotel. Okay, now scroll down, review the price again, and input my detail to book this hotel for demonstration purpose. I will input my name here, my email address. Okay, my email address here. It is important to fill in your email address because for them to email the hotel room's booking confirmation to you. Okay, then your phone number, country origin, and then the payment information, which is your credit card, debit card number, the bank's issuer name for your credit card, the month, year, and the CVV code of your credit card. One is has been completed. Here show you one of these transaction we display on your credit card statement as Prestigia.com for amount of Euro 67.87. If I have any special request, I can write down here. Okay, I would like to receive it. Okay, leave it blank. Okay, booking of Prestigia.com, you accept this booking condition. Once you have filled up all the payment information here, and I just have to tap on or click on confirm your booking, it will be completed. Because for demonstration purpose, I'm not going to input my payment information here, my credit card number is not going to input here. So once it has been done, okay, the hotel room booking confirmation will be emailed to your email address, given email address. Once you have been done this hotel booking, click on done, you will exit the hotel booking page, and you can explore more on this Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, by tapping this top places icon here, to explore more what are the attraction places that tourists like to visit when they come to travel in Hong Kong, having holiday in Hong Kong. Okay, recap again. Finally, where can you download install this Hong Kong Hotel Travel Tour Guide mobile app? Okay, you can click on the link below this video description part here. Okay, or you can use your phone, mobile smartphone QR code scanner to scan the QR code to install the Hong Kong Travel Tour Guide mobile app to book your hotel via the mobile app easily and fast. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, thumbs up this video, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.